I'm going to become a data analyst and land a job at a top tech company in Seattle in exactly 4 months, starting from zero experience. And I'm going to document every single step of this journey here. Hey, I'm Soumya. I'm not a techie and I haven't written a single line of code with 100% full confidence. And whenever I start coding, it makes me feel dumb. But in 120 days, I'm going to get qualified and start working as a data analyst. Congrats, because you get to watch every single step of my transformation, every struggle, every project, every interview. And this is day one. Let's go. And why am I doing this? I've been working in this tech industry for over 5 years and I like to work with data. I like to find patterns, solve problems, make decisions based on data. And you know what? Data analysts get to do that every single day. Oof. And Seattle is the best city for data analysts. Amazon, Microsoft, Starbucks, everybody is hiring and I want in. But here's the thing. I am starting from scratch, completely self-taught. No computer science degree, no boot camps, no coding experience. It's just me, internet, and a lot of coffee. So here's the 4-month plan. I'm calling it Zero to Data Analyst Blueprint. Month one is all about foundation. Let's start with SQL. SQL is considered as the most #1 skill for data analyst roles. And we all know that. Adding a certification to your portfolio is always a good thing because almost of every company is considered a person with good certification and good skills. I'm choosing Google Data Analyst Professional Certificate on Coursera. And I'm also focusing on Excel fundamentals. I'm going to solve 100 SQL problems on month one. I know. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do this after I complete 100 SQL problems. I'm using Coursera Plus for this, I know, which gives me access to so many professional certificate programs from Amazon, Microsoft, IBM, Meta. They all offers amazing professional certificate programs at Coursera. It costs more than $1,200 and I get to do that for free. Month 2, we are diving deep into Python. I'm going to start my Python for data analysis, Tableau for visualization, and statistic fundamentals, and I'll start building my first portfolio project. Yes! Month 3 is portfolio intensive. Okay, 4 to 6 complete data project, real business problem with real data sets. Everything goes on GitHub and Tableau Public because I'm not going to cheat here. You guys can follow up and say everything what I'm doing every single day. Month 4, I'll be adding some certification to my programs like Tableau, Power BI, and obviously we are going to start focusing on resume optimization. You don't want your resume to get lost in the pile of resume and applications, right? So we are going to focus on it. Then most important, interview preparation. You are not going to land a single job without cracking an interview. So let's do that. And I'll be also applying to 10 to 15 jobs per week. I know, let's do it. And these are the companies that I'm going to target: Amazon, Microsoft, Starbucks, Nordstrom, Zillow, Expedia, all headquartered or having a major offices in Seattle. Now here's the interesting part. I'll be documenting and posting every single step of my transformation journey here in the YouTube. I'll be uploading a long video like this one every Sunday, explaining my updates about week 1, explaining about my tutorials, project walkthroughs, what all I did those week, and I'll be also providing some tips and tricks and everything regarding a data analyst journey and what you should do on first week. I'll be also posting short form contents about daily updates, study resource and study materials, resources, sites, website, everything. And why am I doing this and making it all public? 3 reasons. Reason 1. Teaching always pushes to deeply understand a topic. If I'm able to teach you guys and explain to you guys, it will be really easy for me to learn. Yes, I'm being selfish here. Reason number 2, building in public creates accountability. The fact that you guys will be watching me every single day makes me feel to do it consistently. So yes, again, I'm being selfish. Reason number 3, this is going to become my portfolio. Whenever I start applying to a job, they can come and see that how am I communicating complex topic clearly here. And that's exactly what data analysts do. So what's happening this week? Tomorrow I'll be starting a Google Data Analyst Professional Certification, and also I'll be focusing on SQL. That's most important skill. I'll be solving SQL problems every single day. Throughout the week I'll be also posting short form content showing my progress, daily updates, tips and tricks, and everything that you should also learn to become a data analyst. So if you're also interested to learn about data analyst or a career change or just wanted to learn about tech careers, hit subscribe. We are going to do this together. And also comment below why you also want to learn about data analytics. Are you also starting from the scratch? And what scares you more about this journey? I'm going to read every single comment because we are building a community here. Alright, day 1. See you guys with my SQL lessons and updates tomorrow. Let's go.